Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce you a new tool that I've been using for the past couple of months to improve the quality of my audio without too much input or time spent on my part. So what you're seeing is called Adobe Broadcast Enhanced Speech. So let me demonstrate how to do that. So I go to the website and all you have to do is just get the file that you want to improve. For example, I just finished my lecture. I got the audio of the lectures and I just upload it to this website. And after uploading, it will automatically do the audio optimization. Afterward, then I'm just downloading the audio file and I can just use it for my lectures, replacing my existing audio file. Depending on how busy the server, after I upload the file, sometimes it only takes about 10 minutes for my audio file to be processed. Sometimes it takes longer. Of course, it depending on the length of your audio file as well. If you only have a 5-10 minutes audio file, that should be pretty quick. Sometimes I upload file that's a 1 hour long audio file. So that will take significantly longer. But again, I don't have to do anything other than upload the file and wait. Now the file is ready. I'm going to show you before and after the audio. Let's begin with the original audio file. In this video, we're going to learn distillation, filtration. Now let me turn on the enhanced speech features. In this video, we're going to learn distillation, filtration. Can you hear the difference? In the original audio file, it was very echoey and shallow. And after I turn on the enhanced speech feature, they remove all the echoes and my voice is a lot richer and deeper. Let's try it again. And evaporation to separate mixture through. Once you hear the difference, you just don't want to hear the original audio file anymore. So let's turn on the enhanced speech feature. And evaporation to separate mixture through physical changes. Distillation, separate miscible liquid mixture by. Again, audio make a big difference in terms of your lecture quality. So this is definitely a very useful feature to add into your toolbox. And I pretty much use it all the time now when I make my recording. I hope you enjoyed my sharing and see you next time.